What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix GTA 5 code execution cannot proceed because Steam API 64.d2 was not found error that is happening for many of the users and how we can fix this error. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the Windows security, and we need to click on Windows security and press enter. And right now, as you can see, now from here we have to click on the protection history, and right now these are some of the blocked files by the Windows security. So your game directory or the file might be blocked, so that is why we end up in having the Steam_API.64d2 error. So what we need to do is you just need to find the time when this was blocked. For example, you have to scroll down and imagine that the game file is added here. For example, this is not the way, but if you find anything, for example, if any game file is added, you might be having an option here for allow on the devices. So if you find any option here for allow on device, you have to click on that, and you have to make sure and you have to check the path of the game. It should be what? It should be the game directory. Okay, so that is the reason why. So when we give the permission, we are fine with it. That is what we have to do as the first step. Next one is all about, I'll be providing a link in the description to the Goldbug emulator, and if you go to this link and click on the latest build, that is going to take you to this. Now from here, as you can see, it successfully download the emulator. So if you go over here in the downloads, you can see, and if you get into this, you'll be having these options. Now from here, we have to copy the first one, that is Steam API D2, and also we need to copy Steam_API64D2. Copy both. We have to copy this. Go to the game installation directory, that is on E, Steam library, Steam apps common, find Grand Theft Auto. Now we need to paste it here. So once both the files are pasted successfully, we are fine with it. And afterwards, you'll not be having the trouble with cannot proceed because Steam_API64d2 was not found error. This is what we have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.